This is David, the BMW genius at BMW of Bend. Have you ever had your car attempt to put on the brakes, do a brake jolt for you when going forward, and you really didn't think it was necessary and there was nothing really around? That can be annoying, and the car is set to be a little stringent on the front collision mitigation, and I'm going to show you how to adjust that. There are some settings inside of the driver assistance that I recommend taking a look at, and specifically it's going to be the front collision mitigation because the cars from the factory come set to early, and there could be some false braking in situations where you may not want it. So I want to show you where that is. Go to Car, go to Settings, then we're going to go to Driver Assistance. And for safety and warnings, there is this selection at the top called Forward Collision Mitigation. From our experience, there's maybe too many false alarms when just driving forward. If something is out in the distance ahead of you, or you're in cruise control around a big bend and it thinks that maybe a truck or a car is in your lane, but it's not. And I'm just saying that if we go to medium here for forward collision mitigation instead of early, we'll have fewer false alarms. It'll be more of a normal drive and nothing that's going to scare you. But it still will brake and do things for pedestrians, for animals, and for objects. It just is at a medium sensitivity instead of too stringent. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, this is David Koff at Kendall BMW in Bend, Oregon. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any further questions about your vehicle.
Kendall, let's start something great.